Innovation Factory grew exponentially during 2022 to 2023, and the ecosystem expanded to 28 projects. Innovation Factory established a new head office in Dubai, with 300+ in-house employees. Design, digital marketing, customer support, R&D, finance, project management group, project engineering group, business IT, DevOps, quality assurance, and logistics. The organization is one of the very few companies in UAE to have a VARA license, along with recognition by some of the prominent trade and commerce authorities in the world, including Poland, Lithuania, Turkey, and USA. Teams from around the globe. With an expanded team of 500+ employees from around the globe, we have established teams in different regions, including India, Pakistan, Russia, Turkey, China, and Africa. We have signed 2 international celebrities as brand ambassadors, the Sultan of Swing, Wasim Akram, Bollywood superstar Sanjay Dutt. Ecosystem growth and project development. In 2022 to 2023, Innovation Factory spent $12 million+ on development. Blockchain Foundation was redeveloped to support smart contracts, NFTs, gaming, and Web3 projects. BFI Coin got listed on the top 10 crawlers and crypto exchanges, including CoinMarketCap, OnRamp, LBank, Bitmart, and more. 23 new projects were added to the ecosystem, out of which 11 projects have already been launched. Innovation Factory has generated a community of 20 million+ members across 205 countries to become the fastest growing tech community. It has changed the lives of 5 million+ people and distributed wealth of $900 million+ across the globe. Exchange On acquired a team of 80+ Chinese and Russian developers and signed agreements with 5 countries to offer citizenship via cryptocurrency: Dominica, Vanuatu, St. Lucia, St. Kitts, and Nevis, Grenada. All 5 citizenships are purchasable via BFI coins on Explore the World. 50+ developers are signed from Silicon Valley, the USA, the Middle East, China, and Europe to work on MetaMall, our metaverse project. Developers of famous entertainment apps are signed to develop Jokers, our entertainment app. Associate partners. We've strategically partnered with top global associations, combining diverse expertise for mutual growth. Recently launched projects: Blockchain Foundation for Innovation and Collaboration, a 4th-generation blockchain for changemakers, innovators, and visionaries that offers hybrid scalability and effortless computation for Web 3.0, artificial intelligence, decentralized apps, and Internet of Things. Super 11, a fantasy sports app powered by blockchain technology. Game OK, a decentralized gaming platform for those who love to play without interruption. B-Store, world's first blockchain-powered e-commerce platform for online shopping across the globe. Bulleto Certic, certified smart contract with the world's first co-matrix plan. OKFX.io, a hybrid trading platform that bridges markets for trade diversification. BFIC Gold Network, a powerful decentralized ultra-hybrid platform for unlimited income, time to travel book, flight tickets and hotels on the go, and enjoy up to 15% cashback. Love Wallet, a decentralized tool to keep your digital assets safe and secure. Events by Innovation Factory. Crypto Expo Dubai 2022. Innovation Factory participated in the world's biggest blockchain and crypto event, the Crypto Expo Dubai. The company became a center of attention by offering some of the most unique new projects to the audience. Burj Khalifa Armani Event. A grand corporate event was conducted at the Armani Ballroom, Burj Khalifa, Dubai. The event hosted some of the biggest names and prominent figures from various industries in the presence of international media. Innovation Factory signed Mr. Wasim Akram as its brand ambassador during a special press conference at the Dubai head office. An agreement was signed by Mr. Omar Khan and Mr. Wasim Akram to move forward together in the interest of the company's vision and mission. After a successful participation earlier, Innovation Factory revisited the Crypto Expo Dubai in 2023 with a new project and was awarded for being the fastest growing crypto community. Grand Thailand Event. Community has always been the heart of Innovation Factory. A mega seminar and celebrative event was hosted by the company in Thailand to acknowledge and appreciate our rapidly growing community across the globe. Celebration of 5 million members. Innovation Factory's management, along with some global leaders, celebrated the milestone of achieving 5 million plus community members in a very short period of time. Category sponsor of Pakistan Super League Season 8, sponsor of Pakistan versus Afghanistan Cricket Series. Acquired Candy Team for Lanka Premier League 2023. Title sponsor Asia Cup 2023. Joint ventures. Innovation Factory had turned into a joint venture with Mr. Sanjay Dutt to establish Nargis Dutt and Hafiza Nazir Cancer Research Center. An MOU was signed by Mr. Omar Khan, His Highness Sheikh Marwan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, and Mr. Sanjay Dutt to officially initiate the project. Representing Innovation Factory, Mr. Omar Khan launched another joint venture with Mr. Sanjay Dutt to establish the biggest 3D visual effects and production studio in India. Innovation Factory hosted a massive meetup in Dubai to invite prestigious members of the community from around the globe and share some insights about the company's future prospects. An official Innovation Factory's Turkish community visited the head office in Dubai. They appreciated the company for its marvelous efforts and were rewarded with souvenirs by Mr. Omar Khan. The princess, along with her delegation, enjoyed a corporate dinner and discussed the potential partnership in the interest of mutual growth. Blove Candy Cricket Team, acquired by Innovation Factory, displayed a historical effort in the Lanka Premier League 2023 and became the champions of the season after winning the league. Upcoming events.
कि जो अब हम क्योंकि पिछले 4 साल से कंपनी दिन रात एफर्ट्स कर रही है और जब हम अपनी कम्युनिटी को बेनिफिट दिलवाने जा रहे हैं, देने वाली तो ऊपर वाले की जात है, दिलवाने जा रहे हैं या कुछ इस तरह से हम बड़ा कुछ करने जा रहे हैं जिससे हमारी पूरी कम्युनिटी ना सिर्फ बेनिफिट उठाएगी, ये लॉन्ग टर्म बेनिफिट उठाएगी और हमारी कम्युनिटी बढ़ेगी। आपको पता है कि हमारी कम्युनिटी हमारे लिए कंपनी के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। जिस तरह आप लोगों के लिए कंपनी इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसी तरह कंपनी के लिए अपनी कम्युनिटी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो ये जितने भी लीडर्स यहाँ पे आए हैं, ये यहाँ पे कोई विजिट पे नहीं आए, 2-4 दिन के लिए नहीं आए, ये आज से इनोवेशन फैक्ट्री का पार्ट है।